Hello friends, today in this video we'll talk about AnyUnlock and what does AnyUnlock do. AnyUnlock is a very useful software for the iOS or Apple related problems that we are facing right now or in the future. So if you have a problem with the screen passcode, for example, your PIN, Face ID, Touch ID, or any customer codes is not working, then you can unlock it from this one. You can also remove Apple ID and iCloud activation lock. For example, if you have a phone and you forget to remove the Apple ID from the iPhone and it's currently saying iCloud activation lock, then you can remove that from this AnyUnlock. And also you can bypass MDM restriction, as well as it covers many more locks like SIM lock, iTunes backup passport, screen time passcode. And this all can be done in very three simple steps and it's very fast and easy process. So now let's go and see how to do that. So for example, click on free download. So once you click on free download, you can see the app like this, which is AnyUnlock. So here you can see unlock screen passcode, unlock Apple ID, bypass iCloud activation lock, bypass MDM, remove SIM lock, and many other options. So you can choose based on the requirements. So here in this video, we'll do practically unlock screen passcode. So I have a phone here, which I don't know the passcode. So every time I put a passcode, it's not letting me log in. So I can log in because I forgot the passcode. So now we'll unlock the passcode from this software. But be mindful that it will erase the device. So you make sure you have a backup previously saved somewhere. Otherwise, you might lose the data from doing this option. So now let's go and see how to unlock the screen from this feature. So click on that. So click on start now. It's saying connect the phone with the charger on your laptop. So here I have put the charger on the phone, but it's not detecting. So click on device not detected. So here it has some instruction that we need to read. So if you have an iPhone 8 and above or 7 Plus, so we follow the instructions. So we'll go iPhone 8 and above. So what it's saying is press and quickly release the volume up button and press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button and keep on holding until you see the connect to iTunes or computer screen. So let's do that. But before doing that, your phone need to be in the switch mode, power off mode. So let's do that now. So volume up button, down button, and keep pressing the power button until we get the screen. So my Apple logo is coming up. So now you can release it. So now it is detecting. So here you can click on download. So it is downloading the firmware. So it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. So when it is downloading, the iPhone screen still looks like this. So let's wait until that time. So the download is complete. Click on unlock now. So let's wait until this finish. So while doing this one, the iPhone will go to this mode where there is Apple logo screen and the bar is moving forward. So finally it says it's done, and let's check the phone, and the phone has been resetted and comes to the home screen. So there is no passcode now. So you can set up the phone from the start. So I can say this is already done and done. So this is how we unlock the screen passcode. So similar to that, you can do unlock Apple ID and bypass iCloud activation lock, bypass MDM, and everything that is available here from this software called AnyUnlock. So overall, this software is very helpful if you have any iPhone related problems. I'll put the link of this website in the description box as well as in the comment box. If you want to check it out, then go to the link and click on download and try. And if you decided to buy, then you can use the code that I will give you right now, which is train20. So if you use this code for buying this software, then you can get 20% discount on the total price. So feel free to check it out. Overall, I would say this is very helpful software and you must try it. I hope you learned some useful content from this video. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thank you.